This is Lokesh Solanki and I am from Corali. Currently I am working as a HR executive of Kinsolvent Services and also pursuing my MBA from Ramanujan College, Palwal. And today I want to share a topic of Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. Like it's totally topic about women. But today it's not happen women what they want. Because like women only for namesake. Like if I take example of my village, my village leader, like a sarpanch, is a woman. But till now I have not seen like to take any decision to our village. All these things are like managed by their husband. So it's only for namesake. If the number of raped with girls and number of many things discrimination is happening with girls, and governments are take action, but government take not action till when girls are not have fortitude to do something for yourself, for your nation. If you are come here to mostly girls are come here to speak English well, to speak English in future, to earn money. Like if you are come here if something is happening in future with you, you have right to speak. You have right to do something for yourself, and for girls who don't have courage to do, you will help of these types of girls, because it's increasing day by day. Government are trying to stop these types of discrimination with girls, but girls don't have power. Girls are men silence their voice of women, and it's increasing day by day. But we don't know what happening is this or that. It's in a government have opportunity to join a civil service, to join military, and it's also increasing. It's also increasing day by day. But despite that, the cases of discrimination, rape with girl, we can see every day, every minute is happening with girls, like in Alpha University, and many things is happening. Like girls is everything. A woman know another woman very well, very well. We know what happening with girls, how to, if the girls have right to take any decision for our nation, so our nation will be increase, our economic growth will be increase. But government should try to courage to to help to girls. Most of the girls have overcome the hesitation, and they are do something for great for nation, and they have right to do something. But most of the today men they don't have right to girls to speak for our rights, to what they want to do in their life. That's it.